In this Photoshop video tutorial, let's see how to clip mask text and shapes. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Let's start with text layers. Select the text tool and type whatever you want to mask. In this video, let's try to mask the fruit words with fruits image. You can edit the text dimensions with Transform tool. Next, let me import the fruits image into the Photoshop and add it in this document. Place the fruit layer above the text layer and next, select the fruit layer and right-click on it and again select Create Clipping Mask. You can move and adjust the image layer to give the best impression on the text layer. Next, you can double-click the text layer and add drop shadow effect to the text. Next, you can select the fruit image layer to give a more appealing impression. Next, you can add a new layer and try different background color for the document. Next, let's see how to mask transparent image layer. Let me import both the transparent image layer and the photo of a woman. Let's add the woman image above the transparent image layer. Now we can mask the woman's face to take the shape of this transparent image layer. Next, select the woman's image layer and right-click on the layer and select the Create Clipping Mask tab. You can move the woman image layer the way you prefer it to be visible through the transparent image. Here we can add any solid background color to the document and save the changes. Here we can add any solid background color to the document and save the changes. Next, let's see how to mask shape layer. Draw any shape or combination of shapes and select all the shape layers and merge it. Next, import any image and place it above the shape layer and next right-click on it and select Create Clipping Mask. There you go, you can move the image layer to give you the look you wanted. With this, we come to the end of this Photoshop video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.